Types of trauma. The first is a flap with a mobile fragment in the joint between the femur and the The meniscal bell clapper must therefore be resected using small pliers. The second type of lesion is peripheral, that is to say, located around the edge of a well-vascularized area where the meniscus can heal. Miniature suturing instruments are used to repair the lesion. Several stitches help the lesion to heal rapidly, preserving the entire meniscus. This surgery is performed arthroscopically through small incisions using a camera to visualize the joint, minimizing scarring.